Hello everyone, today I am going to explain HTML forms. We will learn what HTML forms are and different input types, buttons, labels and validation with example. And number 1, what is form? A form is used to collect information from the user like email, password, name, and we make a form in HTML using the form tag, and it has two main parts. One is action and another is method. Action tells where the data will be go, and method tells how the data will be sent. And here is example. And number 2 is input types. Inside a form we use input boxes. The most common ones are text, password and email. Text box. Text box is for only text. Password box. Password box. It hides text while we typing. Email box. It checks valid email where the email is valid or not. Here is an example. You can see. Next, we add controls in our forms, like we add buttons, checkbox, radio. One is submit button. Buttons send the form, and checkbox, many choices allowed. It means a checkbox allows user to pick more than one option. Radio button, only one choice only one choice allowed. It means we can only select one option at a time. And here is the example, you can see. And next is level are used to describe input boxes. When we link the label to an input, the form is easier to use and more clear. Here is the example. And the number 5 is form validation. We can also say form checks. Validation help check input before submitting. And here is number 1 is required. It means the box cannot be left empty. Pattern means it allows us to set rules like only letters and minimum maximum. They are used to set limit for number. And here is example, you can see. And here is a complete example of simple login form. It has a username, password, and it has checkbox for remember me, and it has submit button to send the data. To summarize, forms in HTML are made with form tag. Inside the form, we add input button, checkboxes, and radio button. We use label to connect text with inputs, and we use validation to check the data before sending. And this is how forms are built in HTML. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.